In this video, I'll show you how to pay with cash on the Lyft app. First, open the Lyft app and tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. From the menu, scroll down and select Payment. At the top of the payment screen, you'll see the option to add cash to your Lyft cash balance. If you don't have any cash added yet, tap Add Cash. You'll see options to top up online, but if you want to use actual physical cash, follow these steps. Tap in Store, then follow the three simple instructions. Find participating store, share your barcode, and add at least $30. To find a store near you, tap Find Store, enter your city, for example, New York, and choose a store from the list. Tap See Barcode to generate a barcode that you will show to the cashier. This barcode is linked to your Lyft account, and the store will process the cash top-up. The cashier will scan the barcode and apply the amount directly to your Lyft cash balance. Please note, there is no service fee, but you must add a minimum of $30 and can top up as much as $300 in one transaction. Once completed, you'll be able to pay for your Lyft rides using your Lyft cash balance. No card needed. It's a simple and straightforward process. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like and consider subscribing. See you in the next one.